Hello and good morning everyone. We are here at 13th edition of XCon 2025. We are having Mr. Deepak Bonfale, Head Industrial and Agri-Business Power Solutions Business from Ashok Leyland with us. Let's start this conversation knowing more about their recent launches and innovations.
Hi, good morning and warm welcome to our stall. Since XCon is the biggest event where we can show our capabilities to the construction manufacturers. So this year we are launching a compact series of engines which is mainly being used for the mini compactors, small wheel loaders, skid steer loaders. Okay, so we have launched our compact series of engine, that is P15 1.5 liter industrial engine with 49 HP CV BS5 emission norms, and we have also launched our H474 HP Unipack. Unipack is nothing but a complete package being used for the applications like backhoe or tandem compactor. So these two new launches we have launched this time, and addition to this we also displayed our 82.5 kVA new look DG gensets. Then we have displayed our A6 engines. We started from 280 HP to 450 HP. We have also showcased our next gen future ready hydrogen H2 ICE engine and our most popular H6 133 to 225 CV BS5 emission norm engine. These various engines we have displayed this time in XCon 25, and we are getting a good response, and there are 30 plus applications in the XCon. There are 35 manufacturers who displayed their machines with Ashok Leyland engines. There are 10 new machines launched by our customers this time with Ashok Leyland engines.
And as I can see there, the Lay Power app. Can you please tell me about more of that?
See, Lay Power app is nothing but a next gen remote monitoring systems for Ashok Leyland engines and the gensets, because nowadays in CV BS4, TREM 4 and CV BS5 all engines are electronic, so it is very necessary to have the remote monitoring systems. So there are other features also, efficiency monitoring, 90 days key parameters and history we can track. Then we are having faster issue resolution with the help of this Lay Power app. By sitting inside the cabin we can monitor the DG set or the engine which is fitted in other states as well. There are main benefit is the seamless integration, so it's a beneficial app only for the customers, which will help them for these kind of features.
What is your future outlook for this gensets industry?
Yeah, see, genset industry, yes, more and more infrastructure is growing, so there will be a demand of the gensets. Similarly, in the industrial segment, since there are a lot of infrastructure projects are going on, and government is also spending a lot of money on the infrastructure development. Similarly, the road construction, then river connections. So there will be a good future for the industrial segment, and we foresee there will be a good CAGR in coming years as well.
And coming back to XCon, that this is 25 year of XCon, so how you are looking into it and how helping you to grow and what kind of footfall you are getting from here?
See, XCon is the big, as I mentioned, XCon is the biggest platform. Here, all construction equipment manufacturers, they are showcasing their products. So it is the right opportunity where we can also demonstrate or where we can show our capabilities on the engine expertise, our innovations, so that customer, when they are making the next machine, they would think about our engines, which is more innovative, which will more fuel efficient in coming days. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.